Let's talk about editing in JXL. To change a field, just click it and change it. You're editing your actual Jira data, not a copy, so there's no separate save step. This goes for any editable field: text, dates, statuses, whatever you need. To change the same field across multiple items at once, select Arrange by clicking and dragging. Or hold Command on a Mac, Control on Windows, and click any other rows you want to include. Holding Command-Shift plus the down arrow selects all the way to the end of the column. One thing to know: JXL normally confirms before a bulk edit, but tapping Command-V or Control-V twice quickly skips that confirmation, so double check your selection first if you're moving fast. You can turn this confirmation off entirely in Personal Sheet settings. Just use the toggle to switch off Prompt Bulk Operations. Jira has its own bulk change wizard, but it's a separate flow. Pick your issues, pick a field, and step through the screens. In JXL, it's just copy and paste right in the sheet you're already in.